The chicks are out of the nest box during the day now, but they still go back in at night. So what I've done is I've blocked off the nest box with a towel, because a certain Babylon Beelzebub wants to go in there and play house. And the last time they went in there and played house, well, we have 5 chicks. So during the day, since the nest box is vacant, he actually wants to go in and repopulate it, I think. They're all picking at bits of snow peas now. Oh, actually, they're not all picking. The oldest 3 are picking. Patchouli and Random haven't quite figured it out yet. How'd you get up there? Clever boy. Skeeter's out of the box for the first time and wandering. Look who's up on my bed. Hello, Dizzy. Have you been for a flight, have you? Mm-hmm. Skittles. My little Skittles. Gone for a wander. Look who's come to visit. I've come to check out my birds. Our balcony's netted in. Gives the birds some space, some freedom. They don't have to stay in the cage. As you can see, Dizzy's quite alert, but he doesn't seem as scared. Archie and Babylon have just flown into the bathroom. How'd you get up there? Have you flown, have you? Have you flown while I'm not looking? Skittles has discovered the toasted cheese sandwich, but he just really only likes the crusty bits. Archie and Babs. Babs is on the soaked seed. Archie's shredded the plastic bag that had all the millet spray in it. She's more interested in eating it through the plastic bag than it being in a bowl. Who have we got behind there? That's Skeeter. Dizzy. Patchouli, looking very patchy.